Hello children, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Radha Online Classes. Today I am going to take class 6th and the chapter we are doing is Ratio and Proportion. Ratio and Proportion में हम लोग कर रहे थे exercise 12.1 जिसका question number 10 and 11 today we will do. Okay, let's see question number 10. Question number 10 में देखते हैं that is in a college. There is a college out of 4,320 students, total number of students they have given what? 4320. And these many are girls. How many are girls? 2300 are girls. Find the ratio of. You have to find the ratio of. किसका ratio निकालना है? Number of girls to total number of students. Number of girls to total number of students means we need two things here. Number of girls we required and what? Total number of students. तो total number of students अपने पास कितने हैं? 4320 and we are having number of girls how many? 2300. अब ratio find out करना है. Earlier also I told you क्या करेंगे आप? Number of girls पहले आया है, that means that will be the numerator. That is number of girls divided by what we will do? Total number of total students, right? टोटल स्टूडेंट्स अब हमारे पास गर्ल्स कितनी है 2300. ओके एंड डिवाइडेड बाय व्हाट? टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास कितने हैं? दैट इज 4320. 0 0 कैंसिल कर देते हैं. ओके नाउ जस्ट कट विद 2. 2 2s are 4. Now 2 1s are 2 and 2 6 are 12. Right, and here 2 1s are 2, again 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10. Now see, here it is 5 and here it is 6. With 2 it will not go. अब 3 से जाएगा या नहीं देख लेते हैं. 5 6 and 7 3 से नहीं जाएगा. Then with 7 7 से देख लेते हैं. 3 के बाद 5 5 से तो जाएगा नहीं. 7 से देख लेते हैं. 7 1 is 7 8 9 10 11 45. It will not go with that. With that also, let's see the next one. So children, it will not go with any other number. So what is our ratio? Our ratio is 115 is to what? 216. This is our ratio. Let's come to its B part, that is number of boys to number of girls. अब हम यहाँ पे change कर देते हैं. यहाँ पे number of boys to number of girls. ओके यहीं पे हमने चेंज कर दिया है इसको. लेट्स सी हियर, दिस इज व्हाट? 2300. एंड नंबर ऑफ बॉयज कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? सी, वी डोंट हैव नंबर ऑफ बॉयज, तो नंबर ऑफ बॉयज हम कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? 4320 में से लेस करेंगे हम नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स को. वी विल गेट व्हाट? नंबर ऑफ बॉयज. तो 0 के 0 and 2, this is 2 again. Then 100 placed with 3 minus 3 is 0. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So how many number of boys are there? That is 2020. Now what is the required ratio? The required ratio is number of boys to number of girls, right? Number of boys to number of girls. This is our B part. Okay, so here also we have to do the changes. So children, here we need what? Ratio of number of boys to number of girls, right? This is required. This is the question, yes. Now number of boys we will write above number of boys divided by what? Number of girls. Number of girls and number of boys both we are having what? This is 2020 is number of boys divided by 2300 is number of girls. 0 0 cancel. It will go with 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 zeros are 0 and again 2 1s are 2. Now 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10. Now this number will go with 3. No. With 7. 7 1s are 7 and 31. No, it will not go. So It will not go with any other number. That is why what is our ratio? Our ratio is 101 is to 115. It is clear to you? Let's come to question number 11. No children, before coming to question number 11, one more part is left, that is ratio of number of boys to total number of student. ये हमारा रह गया, इसको देख लेते हैं. Number of boys we are having what? 2020 and number of total number of student we are having 4320. So what is our ratio? Ratio हमें find out क्या करना है? Ratio of number of boys to total number of students, right? So what will come above? Above it will come number of boys, right? Number of boys को divide करेंगे हम लोग किससे? Total students से. So we will get what? See, 2020 divided by 4320. 0 तो आप ऐसे कैंसिल कर देंगे. अब यूनिट प्लेस पे 2 है, यहाँ पे भी 2 है, 2 से दोनों चला जाएगा. दैट इज 101 and 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s are 2 and 2 6s are 12. Again 101 is there, so it will not go with 3 7 and all. तो क्या आ जाएगा हमारा रेशियो? द रिक्वायर्ड रेशियो इज 101 is to 216. What is the ratio of number of boys to total number of students? That is 101 is to 216. Now let's come to question number 11. See children, here is question number 11. Out of 1800 students in a school, 750 opted basketball, right? 800 opted cricket, और जो बच गए that is remaining opted table tennis, right? इस तरह का हम लोगों ने एक क्वेश्चन पहले भी किया हुआ है. Let's see now what is the question after this is, if a student can opt only one game, अगर एक स्टूडेंट एक गेम को ऑप्ट करता है तो फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ, किसका रेशियो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है? हर एक बच्चा एक ही गेम ले रहा है. ओके, नाउ टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट हमारे पास कितने हैं? 1800 है. तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? नाउ व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? से रेशियो ऑफ नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट हु ऑप्टेड बास्केटबॉल टू नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट हु ऑप्टेड टेबल टेनिस. अभी हमें टोटल की जरूरत नहीं है, वी विल नॉट राइट दैट. सबसे पहले हमें किसकी जरूरत है? नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट ऑप्टेड व्हाट? बास्केटबॉल, राइट? बास्केटबॉल, that is equal to, and one more we need, that is number of student opted टेबल टेनिस. देखो हमारे पास ये दोनों चीजें हैं या नहीं है? Let's see. Basketball we are having what? Basketball वाले 750 हैं. 750 we have written. Now see, table tennis. Cricket is 800. Remaining of the table tennis. Remaining के लिए we need what? Total students. Total हमारे पास 1800 है. इसमें से हम लेस कर देंगे किसको? क्रिकेट कितने बच्चों ने लिया है? 800. प्लस करेंगे हम बास्केटबॉल कितने बच्चों के पास है? 750, राइट? मींस नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट दोज हु हैव ऑप्टेड क्रिकेट प्लस बास्केटबॉल किसने लिया है, कितने बच्चों ने लिया है, और फिर इन दोनों को ऐड करके टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट से माइनस करने से हमें रिमेनिंग नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट मिल जाएंगे, दोज हु हैव ऑप्टेड टेबल टेनिस. ओके, सो लेट्स फाइंड दिस बेटा. लेट्स फाइंड दिस. 1800 में से लेस करेंगे इसको, हाउ मच वी विल गेट? नीचे लिख लेते हैं इसको. 1800 माइनस 0 and 0 0, 5 and 0 that is 5, and 8 plus 7 is 15, right? तो टोटल कितना आ गया? 1800 में से 50 लेस करेंगे तो 50 आ गया. देन आफ्टर अब 7 minus 5 is 2 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Means how many students have opted? बहुत कम बच्चों ने opt किया है. That is 250. So how many? 250 student opted table tennis. Let's see what is asked there. What is asked? Ratio. So ratio हम लिख लेते हैं यहाँ पे required ratio. Required ratio is equal to, क्या पूछा है हमसे, basketball to number of student opted basketball divided by number of student opted what, table tennis. टेबल टेनिस दैट इज इक्वल टू, बास्केटबॉल देख लेते हैं, हमारे पास 750 है एंड टेबल टेनिस वी आर हैविंग 250 स्टूडेंट्स हैव ऑप्टेड. 0 0 कैंसिल, 25 ones are 25 and 25 threes are. डायरेक्ट कट कर सकते हो आप या फिर 5 से करो. 5 5s are 25, 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25 अगेन. फिर से दोबारा से 5 से करेंगे. अगर 5 से करेंगे तो कैसे करेंगे देख लो एक बार इसको भी. 5 ones are 5, 6 7, 2 बचा, 25 हो गया. 5 5s are 25. Now here 5 5s are, then 5 ones are 5 and 5 3s are 15. ठीक है. So this is 3/1 and what is our ratio? Our ratio is 3:1. So this is our answer. Now it is having two more parts. Let's see B and C part also. Let's see its B part. See children, its B part is number of students who opted cricket to number of students who opted basketball. Okay, so ratio of number of students opted cricket to basketball, directly I am writing basketball. Okay, number of student that opted basketball, you have to write that. I have written in short. Okay, so number of student opted cricket divided by number of student opted basketball. Right? देख लेते हैं. हमारे पास क्रिकेट this is 800 and basketball we are having what, 750. 0 0 cancel, 5 से दोनों कटेंगे. 5 ones are 5 and 5 5s are 25, right? 5 ones are 5, 6 7 8, 6 are 30. अब 16 और 15 नहीं कटेगा. 2 से नहीं जाएगा, 3 से 15 जाएगा, but 16 will not go. What is our ratio, children? That is 16:15. Okay, is it clear to you? Let's come to its C part. See children, its C part, number of student opted basketball to total number of student. So our solution will be required ratio of total, no, not total, firstly is number of student opted basketball to total students, right? Total student, that is equal to number of student opted what, basketball divided by total students, right? So basketball हमारे पास हम देख लेते हैं क्वेश्चन में. Basketball 750, yes 750 it is, 750 and total number of students are what, 1800, right children? So 0 0 cancel. Now it will go with 5 से कट कर लेते हैं. 5 ones are 5 and 5 5s are 25. Okay, now here 5 3s are 15 and 5 6 are 30. Now this is 15 and this is 36. It will go with 3 5s are 15 and 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Now it will not go. So what is our ratio? See, our required ratio is what, 5:12. So what is our answer? 5:12. Ratio of number of student opted basketball to total number of student is 5:12. Okay, I think this is clear to you. If you're having any problem, please write in the comment box. I'll try to answer it. Till then, goodbye children. Keep watching the videos. Thank you and have a nice day. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and share it to your friends. Thanks.